So if I use a recent example, take for example going for a run. Going for a run is something that you know is good for you, it will benefit you in the longer term, and in order to develop a routine and develop a habit of going for a run, just go for one every single day. It doesn't necessarily have to be over a long distance, it doesn't necessarily have to be in record time, but if you start, it allows you to build momentum. I guess just tying into that, it's a really interesting point Mike Thurston made a few years ago, which is that a lot of the time people will talk about a negative spiral. So let's say, for example, person loses the job, then they feel depressed, then they start drinking, then they become financially broke. That's a negative spiral. But what a lot of people don't talk about enough is the idea of a positive spiral. So you're depressed, you go to the gym, you start feeling better, then it's easier to meet other people. Then you realise that actually because you're sharper, you can get that job promotion that you've always wanted because you've allowed yourself to be mentally sharper and in a better state of mind to perform better. That's a positive spiral. And I think the key point from the positive spiral is that it allows you to build momentum. And through building momentum, it avoids being in a situation where you allow those negative thoughts in your mind to encourage you to procrastinate.